Could you recycle an entire city? That's a question we'd love to know the answer to here in Genova in Italy, and I'm here with expert Umberto Battista, who's from engineering company STAM. Could we recycle this whole city, all the stone, all the glass, all the metal that's here around us?
Yes, at least. I mean, we cannot achieve 100% of recycled material, but at least we can achieve 90 to 95%. This is what we aim to get through the RE4 European project.
If we were going to take apart this city to kind of dismantle it, talk me through the steps. How would you actually do that?
Okay, well, actually, when you dismantle or demolish a building or a district in the city, first of all, you're going to remove all key parts or sub-components, sub-assemblies like windows, frames, or fittings in some cases. And then at the very end, you're going to demolish the whole buildings. So as a whole, I mean. So at the very end, you will have a big amount of raw materials, everything mixed up together. So what is the most difficult part then is to be able to distinguish between the whole material in order to be able to recycle the proper ones.
What about the materials that we see underneath our feet and in some of these buildings like stone and marble? Can you recycle those?
If you had to build a new old-fashioned buildings, probably you could recycle or reuse totally the same pieces, the same parts. But since we are targeting to build new buildings, then you need, of course, to chop the components, the parts, to make them reusable somehow into new components for new building. Like for example, to develop new panels for walls, inner walls of buildings, roofs. So in that case, you cannot simply reuse marble or stones components as you can see here in the city.